What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Twitter. Live. Cool. What's up? No, my sister watched me lose money yesterday, actually. So, first losing day of the year. We can go over both the trades that I took. One winner, one loser. And yeah, the loser, honestly, the contracts got smoked on the move down. They shouldn't have gotten hit that bad. But it was like, because I got a first trim off at around like 20%, but by the time the trade invalidated the level, they were down like 50%. So because I only got half of my position off at the first trim, I still had half that hit negative 50%. So overall, like a negative 30% trade. That was the first one. And then the second one I took on SPY was a winner. But we'll go over it. I tried to journal through the Microsoft. Honestly, I don't really see why the trade didn't work out. It could just be that it just didn't work out. But we'll go over it once I clean these damn glasses that take forever to clean. But yeah, didn't lose too much. Made a good chunk back off of the SPY. So honestly, not pressed at all. Not pressed at all. Thank you. Alrighty. Yeah, Microsoft's about to get banned. That's for sure. Get live for everybody on TikTok, and then we'll rock and roll. Pull up the Discord DMs to myself. So we got that rolling. Let's go to TikTok live. How'd everybody else do yesterday, though? Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. Gotta update TikTok again. Good morning. Come on. Just waiting on TikTok. Still no entry on the silver. I'm waiting. No buy signals yet. Let's see, run TikTok live. There we go. Hey, losing money is part of trading. Remember, we're not going to make money every day. We are not going to make money every day. But keeping your losses small and minimal while letting your winners run is how you are going to stay profitable. So the Shopify trade on, what's today? Friday, Wednesday. This is how you let your winners run, right? We caught the entire move from here to here, right? The Microsoft trade yesterday, I got in here, somewhere in this area, stopped out below here. So keep those losses small, let those winners run. That's how you're going to continue to stay profitable. Again, red days they're bound to happen. You can't avoid them. They're going to happen. But mitigate risk and you are good. So pretty much with the Microsoft trade that I took yesterday, right? It's been very strong. I was looking for price to come back and retest that pre-market high. You can see we had resistance here, 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 here. And then we broke it and we never retested it. So when price came back, it retested it and it held it as support. When we came back down and we retested it off of a lower volume candle, that's when I got long. It was able to catch a nice pop up in a VWAP, which was literally right here. That's where I got my first half trim. And ideally on this trade, I mean, I was looking to make a lot more out of this, which is why I kept half. Personally, the next price target I was aiming for was up here at opening print and then high of day. Had we gotten that, definitely would have made a decent chunk off of this trade. But like I said, once this started to pull back, the contracts really started to get hit. So it was a little larger of a loss on the other half of the position than what I would have liked. Again, cut out at like negative 50% once it started breaking below this low. But to me, the risk to reward was there. I personally still think this was a good trade. So I'd take it again if it happened. But I think it was just one of those situations where it didn't work out. I like the retest. It held it. Risk was well defined, just didn't work out. So that was trade number 1 yesterday. Started the day off with a little loss, and then SPY. Ended up taking puts on this. Made back a little bit of the Microsoft loss. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys how I could have done better in this trade. So for me, I entered short when we came up towards this 8 EMA and 475, right? So we had this strong aggressive move down. I was looking for price to pop back up towards this 8 EMA, 475 resistance to then short. So that's where I ended up getting short right there. What I should have done, because we came right up into this fair value gap right here, once I noticed that we rejected that 50% retracement, I should have actually added to my short position. Yeah, I would have added a little more risk. But that's a really good, clean setup, right? We reject right at the 50 inside the fair value gap, and then the stop could have been right above that high. So I could have added and then caught more of a downside move, and probably, I mean, depending on how much I added, could have took me back to break even or even in profits on the day. But, oh well, small loss. I'm okay with it. Today's a different day. We'll find a banger. We will find a banger. But yeah, that was the trade recaps from yesterday. So today we got PPI. I think we got some other news as well. Let's see. Nope, just PPI and then a Fed speaker at 10. Okay, pretty simple stuff. Cool. Put on the 21 EMA. Let's get rocking with some analysis. Once 8:30 rolls around, we will... How did I do that? What did I click? Did I click this? How do I get rid of this? Oh. There it is. But yeah, once 8:30 rolls around, we will see how the market reacts, finalize levels, and call it a day. But real quick, if you guys do want this watch list posted up in the chat, make sure to hit that like button. We got 130 people in here and only 35 likes. So take 2 seconds, hit that like button, and I will give you guys a watch list. So for me personally, let's see. We hit that 50% to a T. That's as far as the daily level, though. Personally, that's a daily fib. I would prefer this, however. So, I mean, we got multiple different bounces we could watch. 472, that's pretty far, but again, PPI news could get us down there. We do have a really nice daily squeeze as well. So I'd like to see what happens with that. In an ideal world, 470.3 to 470 would be my perfect bounce, but we'll just have to wait and see if that actually happens today. But yeah, if we can get down there, I really like it. Nice daily squeeze, 21 EMA, plus that 61.8 from the actual pivot low, pivot high. So let's do... We can actually just go ahead and get rid of this because we already know we bounced there. Just mark the low of yesterday. But yeah, multiple bounces. So I'll watch that. Uptrend entry above here. And for yesterday's high high before CPI, and then all-time highs at 480. Boom. Cool. So that's everything for SPY. Pretty straightforward and simple analysis. Head on over to ES. It's going to be the same thing. Take this pivot low to pivot high. Got very close yesterday, so 47.70, 47.54. As far as bounces, if we get above pre-market high, overnight highs, look for the continuation into this high. And then it's a straight shot back up into these highs. Actually, all-time highs, which I think is like 2 points above that. No, this already hit new all-time highs. Never mind. So that 48.415. Yep, perfect. So then let's see, bounces down there. As far as rejects, it depends on how the market reacts to PPI. If we get a strong move down, then we could take a fib retracement and just take pivot high, pivot low, but we'll have to wait and see. Go back to the daily. Nice daily squeeze on this as well. Would really love that daily 21 EMA as a bounce. So anywhere from daily 21 EMA down to 61.8. I'm interested in. So, all right. That's everything on ES for now. Let's head on over to NQ. Good morning. Still have that 1 hour supply that we haven't tested. So that's still valid on NQ. If we really started to pull, could use here to here as potential bounces. Let's see. Get rid of that level. Yeah, let's wait for this. Wait for PPI for NQ, but again, more than likely pivot low, pivot high. Not really seeing any good demand. That's just a very large zone. I wouldn't watch that. No demand there. No demand there. Again, very large zone. Wouldn't prefer that. Cool. All right. That's everything on NQ for the time being. QQQ is going to be the same thing. Got that supply up there. We did test it on QQQ. What was that? Yesterday. So we tested it in the pre-market. Would really like us to test the supply on NQ. You can see the little supply right there. We came up, tested it. So would prefer that. As far as bounces, I mean, it's going to be the same thing. Go ahead and clean all this up. It's going to be the same thing. I would just take a pivot low, pivot high. And then if we like actually got down here, I'd be interested. So that's about like $5.50 away. So we will see. But that's everything. ES, SPY, QQQ, NQ. Let's run through some individuals real quick, see what we like, what we don't like, and then we get PPI here in 10 minutes. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day. Everybody that's watching me on TikTok, if you did not know, I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, plus over 850 free videos. We're getting very close to 900 videos, so make sure to check it out. Brandon Trades on YouTube. Here are some of the videos that I have uploaded. But yeah, highly suggest taking advantage of all the free education I got there. One more time, Brandon Trades on YouTube. Now back to your original program. Apple, not interested in. Good morning. AMD. It's got a nice 4 hour squeeze. I guess it depends. What's up? Let's see. I'd really like AMD above 151. But let's see how it reacts to the PPI data. So we'll come back to AMD. I just want to see if it reacts bullishly off of PPI. I like the 4-hour squeeze with that 21 EMA. So we can keep an eye on that. Amazon set new highs. However, not interested. Boeing, where's my next level? All the way down at 211. So broke that 50% fib. 211.12 is going to be the next area. Maybe it comes into play next week, but would definitely be very interested to try a bounce down here. Maybe even a swing. So 211.12. What I'm going to watch. Coin don't care about. Everybody on YouTube, also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, take 2 seconds to do that real quick. I am live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 850 plus free videos, so make sure to take advantage of all the free education. Again, 2 seconds, hit that like button. You will thank yourself later. Costco, still holding equity. Don't really see anything too interesting, though. CRM. It's actually not bad. Let's see. Is there liquidity? If it came down towards 270. Not a lot of liquidity, but I do like it a lot, to be honest with you. I don't even know the last time I traded CRM. Let's see. All right, so CRM. I'll put that on the list. I do like that. Check that daily. Gotta stay patient every day and wait for A+ setups. That's it. Every day I go in with like the mindset that I don't have to trade today, unless the market offers me a high probability setup. But, okay, let's see. New 52-week highs. Nice volume on the breakout yesterday. Yeah, I watched like 269.30. We'll see. GLD getting a nice little breakout of that little wedge right there. Google. Don't care about IWM. Don't care about Meta. Hit that 61.8 yesterday. However, I mean, I'd really only be interested if it got above 372.50 for longs. I don't really see anything right now. So, nothing on Meta. Microsoft, I hate it. Netflix. Who's the guy that did like 100% on his account yesterday? Are you in here off that Netflix swing? You're in my YouTube video, by the way. I saw your testimonial on Team Bull and I threw it in the YouTube video. Hey, I appreciate that, MZTIA. Appreciate all the support. But yeah, whoever it was, proud of you yesterday. You crushed it. But, all right, let's see. Really not seeing anything on Netflix today. All right, skip over that. NVIDIA. Don't care about. Could just look for an uptrend entry if the market's strong. But if I were to be interested in NVIDIA, it'd be a very deep pullback. Like, you know, we're talking way down here. Ideally, the previous all-time high, wherever that was, like 500 something. 510. But yeah, got a while to go before I get interested in NVIDIA. So, PayPal, just sitting there, nothing. Roku, don't care about. Shopify, don't care about. SPX pretty much rejected 4,800. So if we want more upside, gotta clear 4,800. And then Tesla just getting clobbered. Boo. Is there any good levels on Tesla? Not really. No. Honestly, any spots that this could bounce. Might just be in our best interest just to wait. Like that's not even. Oh, and we broke that fib too. Hey, my man Brian, look at you. I had a feeling it was you. I thought it was. I like it. Good job. But all right, we got 3 minutes until news. As far as individual stocks, I mean, really just AMD and CRM. CRM being my favorite. So let's see how the market reacts off the news. Again, take 2 seconds. Make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. But let's wait these 2 minutes. Speaking of which, let me get my trade of 8 pulled up. Because if we get down to that 61.8 and that daily 21 EMA, your boy would be interested in taking a futures trade. Live trading. Let's see. How do I do this on my phone? Okay. We got it ready. 1 minute. 1 minute till the news. See how we react. Hey, it's all good. You just got to journal. Every single day journaling how you could have improved your trading. Go back, look at the charts, leave notes on the charts, take screenshots. Alrighty. 30 seconds. Or are we just going to blast off? What we gonna do? Give this a couple minutes, see how we digest the news, and then we'll go from there. Or we could just stay flat. Let's see, core PPI 1.8, forecast 2, previous 2. So core PPI below. PPI year over year 1%, forecast 1.3, previous 0.9. So below forecast, slightly above previous. Cool. That's it. That is it for PPI. Seems like the market's liking it so far. Give it, let's see, 2 more minutes to see if anything happens. I don't think we're going to hit that daily 21 though. Would be interested in possible liquidity sweep up here at 48.2175. It's definitely possible. Guess we also have this pre-market low we could watch. Boom. Cool. One more minute and then we will narrow the list. See, we take out all these sellers up here. There's a decent amount. All right, well, guess I'll keep an eye on this on the other screen and we will narrow the list down. Let's do this. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. If you guys hit 150 likes today, you guys get the watch list. That is the goal. But yes, to me looks good. I mean, there's not kind of just trading in between levels right now, so we'll see what happens. But we'll watch the pre-market high, pre-market low as possible liquidity areas. And then let's see, NQ having a really nice push off of that. What time was this at yesterday? 15. I mean, really not many areas that I'm interested in for NQ. Yeah, I mean, we hit the 4-hour 21. Yeah, I mean, reject up here and then bounce would be way down here. So I guess just look for a trend entry today on NQ as well as QQQ. Unless you guys see any good levels, I personally don't. Awesome. Let's see, we already destroyed that supply, so that's not valid. Hit that supply. All right, QQQ's good. AMD. I mean, we held it. I give AMD probably like a B minus for today, to be honest with you guys. So I mean, we can watch it for a potential trend entry. And then CRM. Definitely want to continue to eye this one. Cool. All right, 1 hour 21 EMA, and then like 268.20-ish for a potential bounce. As long as we struggled to break above it yesterday, and then we broke it and just flew. Cool. Let's get this. CRM. Watching for a bounce at 1 hour 21 EMA slash 268.2. SPA. I mean, bounce way down there. Good bounces. 1-2, 471.65. Reject. All-time high at 480. We'll look for intraday trend setups. QQQ, good morning. I guess I can exit out of my trade of 8. I'm gonna send an order in by accident. That would have been mad. All right, we good. All righty. QQQ, I mean, really no good levels. QQQ using NQ analysis, watching. We'll take a look at individuals here in a minute once I'm done on the watch list. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Take 2 seconds, hit that like button. You guys get a watch list. Can't go wrong. Watching, what is that? 1708.475. 17084.75 to 17105.75. Supply for a recheck. As far as bounces, I mean, our best bet, I would say, is to watch pre-market low. All right, there's QQQ, and then let's go back to that AMD. Might just keep AMD on the side today. Keep it on the side. All right, let's take a look at some individuals for you guys real quick. See if we see anything that we like. And then send this list out to everyone. You said there was a weekly gap. Might have already filled it. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, I think it filled it. It's about to fill it. It's got like $3. So yeah, they just filled it in the overnight session. So all right, that's Avigo, Apple. I was really watching Apple to get that 178.64, but they got earnings, I guess, the end of the month. As far as a swing entry, though, personally doesn't meet what I would look for in a swing, but not saying it's a bad idea. It's just that's not a setup I would take personally. Somebody asked about BAC. Did you guys hit 150 likes? Let's see. We're at 137. You guys need 13 more. I know you guys can do it. 13 more likes. Bank of America. Let's see. We got the earnings out of the way. It's at 32.50. It closed at 33.50. I mean, you might go ahead and fill that gap down to 32.14. Oh, it already did. They reported earnings. So, yeah, no. I wouldn't touch that. Personally, wouldn't. So, Bank of America. I didn't see anything on Tesla either. You guys are talking about a bounce. What bounce are you watching? Because it already broke my bounce at 221.20. So, personally, nothing on Tesla for me. I think the big thing is going to be watching Tesla on the monthly. I think that has the potential for a pretty big setup going into the future. It's just going to take a while. But yeah, I would stay super patient and wait for that one. Cool. We had 2 more. You guys almost got it. Let's give Team Bull the watch list today. Channel members to watch list, and then once you guys hit 150, you guys get the watch list. Everything I'm watching today. Cool. YouTube channel members, you guys got access. And we got 150 likes, so I'll give you guys access. My man Brian, I appreciate it. I'll go buy Starbucks with that. I wish I was on the other streaming platform because it would pop up, but Brian with the donation, buying breakfast today, man. I hope I keep crushing it with you, and I'm definitely going to buy that mastermind course. All my investments, all my self-education have paid off. Super proud of you, Brian. Super, super proud of you. That Netflix was a banger. Yeah, I appreciate the donation. Today's Starbucks is on Brian. I'm going to tell them that too. Alrighty, so as far as this watch list, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, CRM, SPY, QQQ. Boom. Give it to everybody in the TikTok as well, for the ones who have stayed here the whole time. CRM, SPY, and QQQ. Cool. But that is going to wrap it up today, everybody. Everybody have a blessed day. I don't know how you did that already. But yeah, everyone have a blessed day. Hope everybody's able to make some money. If you're in Team Bull, I will talk to you guys in 10-15 minutes. If you're not in Team Bull and you do want to join the next time that we do open up spots, I'm going to drop the link for you guys real quick. It takes 2 seconds to fill out the form. All you need is your email and name. And next time we open up spots, you will get an email directly that Team Bull is now open. So use that link right there. Again, takes 2 seconds to fill out. And next time we open up, you'll get that email. But yeah, everyone have a good one. Have a good weekend. Markets close on Monday, so enjoy the 3-day weekend. I will talk to everybody bright and early on Tuesday.